Okay, welcome to Kill Switch Part 2. There's not going to be much motorcycle riding, but it's going to be awesome. Awesome. Cousin's house, we're just going to do a whole bunch of stunts. Yeah, they got to jump and dirt. It's probably going to hurt, but who knows?
Listen to the beat of the passes on the sidewalk there. Don't make me fight your life again. Sometimes say goodbye. Riding on the skateboard, knocking up the pretty boys in my way.
I'm gonna jump this pit on my cousin's bike. The hard thing is there's no freaking like lip, so it's probably gonna be kind of hard.
Real or not? What is real or not? Am I completely right? Or am I just lost and misguided? There is something you ought to know. What is real or not? There is nothing wrong, so don't tell me I need any counseling. I'm just around, kid. Have a mass hysteria, and I know something nobody knows. I'm just around, kid. Got a mass hysteria, and I know something nobody knows. Nobody knows. Bring it on! Just around, kid. Just around, kid. I'm just around, kid. Just around, kid. Just around, kid. Just around, kid. Two lovers are having their fight again.